Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize Mailchimp buttons using the updated 2026 builder, allowing you to bridge the technical gap between a standard email and a high-end studio brand identity that candidly drives professional engagement. Let's get into it. First, access the Mailchimp 2026 Content Builder. The first step is a mechanical necessity to initialize your design workspace. In 2026, Mailchimp has technicality streamlined its editor to prioritize identity and rapid layout creation. Open your campaign and enter the Content section. Select your button block or drag a new button from the sidebar into your layout. Click directly on the button to open the Content and Style panel on the right. By technicality selecting the block first, you tell the 2026 engine you are ready to candidly move away from default presets and toward a professional market analysis of your button's visual impact. Next, customize the high-end visual style. In 2026, the Style tab is where you technicality transform a basic button into a high-end asset that matches your professional studio aesthetic. Switch to the Style tab in the Editor panel. Change the background color to your brand's hex code and adjust the border radius to technicality create a rounded or sharp look. Adjusting the radius and color is a professional standard in 2026. It candidly ensures your button doesn't look like a generic template, maintaining a high-end visual consistency across your market analysis campaigns. Next, refine your typography and padding. To ensure your button is a professional mechanical necessity for mobile users, you need to technicality visit the spacing and font settings. Adjust the button padding to give your text room to breathe. Use the font dropdown to select a 2026 professional typeface. Increase the letter spacing technicality to enhance readability on high-end smartphone displays. Proper padding is a 2026 mechanical necessity for candid finger tapping on mobile. This technical refinement ensures your professional network can easily interact with your high-end content. And that's pretty much it. To customize Mailchimp buttons in 2026, select the button block to open the Style panel and technicality update your URL and button text. Candidly adjust the background color and border radius in the Style tab to match your high-end brand. Finally, refine your padding and typography. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.